Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send voice messages on Telegram using your Android device. Voice messaging is a fantastic way to communicate with friends and family, adding a personal touch to your conversations. So, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. If you don't have the app yet, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once you have the app open, select the chat you want to send a voice message in. This could be a chat with a single friend or a group chat. Choose the conversation where you'd like to share your voice. Now, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see the microphone icon. It's time to tap and hold that microphone icon to start recording your message. This feature makes it super easy to convey your thoughts without typing them out. As you hold down the microphone icon, record your message. Once you're done speaking, simply release the microphone icon. Your message will be sent automatically. It's that simple. And there you have it. Sending voice messages on Telegram is a straightforward process that enhances your communication. It's perfect for when you're on the go and can't type out a lengthy message. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps.